Ye Wubin's 100 Lessons to Mastering Time Management. Lesson 88. How to digitize all of your paper documents. Hello everyone, my name is Ye Wubin from Neng. I am so happy to be with you now at 6 a.m. on the Ximalaya App. For those of you who have been following my lessons, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome aboard. I'm so happy to have you with us. Time is man's scarcest resource. Once it's used, it can never be regained. So if you're not using your time effectively, or if the time you're spending is only getting you further away from your dreams in life, then stay with me. Listen a while, and I'm confident I can help open your eyes to a new path that will get you closer to your dreams. I want to remind you, there are 100 classes in this album, and every class lasts about 6 minutes. It is updated at 6 a.m. New York City time each morning. Today I want to share a tool with you called Cam Scanner. I believe most professionals will have encountered the following situation. Your office produces large amounts of paper documents which are used in the office. However, when you travel somewhere else, those papers are still at the office, and you suddenly need to see documents that are inaccessible. What can be done to solve this problem? It's impossible to transform into a completely digital system and forgo paper entirely. So what we need to do is digitize and store all of this paper information online. The tool I use to digitally store paper information is Cam Scanner. That is spelled C-A-M-S-C-A-N-N-E-R. It's similar to what we said about the handwriting tools in Notability. I follow the same process in Cam Scanner as I do in Notability. After taking a photo of the paper document with the app and briefly revising the document, I will eventually store it in Evernote. Now first, I would like to introduce the basic function of Cam Scanner, then I want to emphasize some of its key features. First, let's talk about the basic functions. Cam Scanner can capture documents through either importing an image or by taking the photo directly. Both of these functions are easily found in the software interface. On the bottom right side of the app, there is a button which allows you to choose whether you're using the camera or import image functions. It's as simple as that. So now let's talk about some of the special features of this app. First, Cam Scanner has the ability to create labels within the document. This allows you to classify each document for easy retrieval later on. If you don't label each document, it will be very difficult to find the ones you need later. So the label and title are very important. Let me explain how I classify the documents. I have a lot of documents that I have digitized, and I categorize these together into a category called documents. I read a lot of books, and in order to save time, I don't read the entire book. Instead, I skim and find the important pages and scan them. I categorize these into a book category. Medical records, health examinations, and bills of the sort are categorized into a category called Health and labeled so in the Cam Scanner app. Our contracts, brochures, warranty cards, and travel documents need to be recorded. There are records of family affairs, documents for our children, transcripts, and so on. Meeting minutes, important documents, training notes, all of these need to be recorded and classified as well. Maybe your classification system is different from mine, but it doesn't matter what it is or how you do it. All we have to do is set up a good classification system and consistently label documents the same way over time. So when you scan your documents, there is a place to save them and a place to label them for later retrieval. Cam Scanner also has its own sharing capabilities. It has its own storage system in the cloud. This provides storage and synchronization between multiple devices. To get started, you can simply register online. You are given some space for free, and then if you need additional space, it will cost you a little bit of money. What I do is store the files temporarily on the Cam Scanner cloud space, and then edit the document and briefly label it. After that, I move them to Evernote to be stored permanently. It's also easy to export files from the Cam Scanner app, and we can even export it to PDF form. The advantage of PDF is that the document is a relatively small size. The disadvantage is that PDF documents are difficult to modify once they are in that document form. For this reason, it's a good idea to keep the original cam scanner file before exporting it so that you can make changes later if needed. For example, let's say you wanted to change one of the family documents, maybe the label or something else about it. You can open the original file within the Cam Scanner app, modify it, export the new version to PDF, and then move it to Evernote, and then delete the old version. You may be wondering, why can't you just take a picture of the file and upload it directly to Evernote by bypassing the Cam Scanner app entirely? While Evernote is a great place to store a PDF, it cannot generate the PDF itself, so Cam Scanner is needed to create the PDF first. PDF documents are preferable because of the smaller size and its ease in sharing with others without fear that someone will modify the contents. Sharing in PDF format is the most convenient and safe way to share important documents like this. It would be great if Evernote came out with the capability to both label and export in PDF, but unfortunately every app has its own set of features, and unfortunately no one software or app meets the needs of every customer. Even if a software or app could meet the needs of everyone, it might not be the best option for the business. Specialization in core niche areas is a business strategy that works out very effectively. When you join Neng, we will help you distinguish between the pros and cons of various apps and help you choose the best one that will be a good fit for you. Cam Scanner has another great feature I want to share with you. It can not only take and import pictures, but it will even automatically crop each picture to size and orientation. For instance, if you take a picture at an angle and it's not squared out, it will automatically square it for you. It's really amazing. So Cam Scanner is a full-service app that does most of what you need. If you follow a few simple steps, it will serve your needs nicely. You first take or import a picture, edit it, and finally export it into PDF form to your Evernote. Be sure to keep the original Cam Scanner file in case you want to modify it later. And don't forget to add a good title and label, or else you'll never find it later. Good luck, everybody! These audio lessons are translated by Neng's partner Cece and then recorded by her husband Justin. I wish you great success today. See you tomorrow!